so welcome back to one of my videos, and this one is all about a collaboration slime which I'm doing with a fellow friend in the slime community. Her channel's It's India and her shop is Blimey Slimy, so go check her out. And we've decided to base our slimes on Easter, so I'm going for a clear glue slime, adding some ink, Dylusions ink, and some Jelly Tot scent. And I'm basing this slime on a little Easter egg decoration I bought from the shops, which will go with some of your extras if you buy for Easter. And now I'm going to put in some pearlescent glitter, or white glitter, and lots of it. And the reason I went for a clear glue slime is so that the glitter has more of a chance to sparkle, because if you add it to white PVA it doesn't work quite as well. So I'm putting in some yellow acrylic ink because I think the egg that I'm basing this design on it's not quite so transparent looking, so I add a bit of white to this as well to make it just a little bit more of a pale yellow chick egg colour. And so just doing this by eye, trying to match it with that little Easter egg I showed at the beginning, and adding plenty of, well, not too much white, just enough to make it pale, that lovely Easter spring pale yellow you get. Adding some more. So the idea is that I'll be sending this to India with instructions on how to make it. She's going to send me hers with instructions on how to make hers. We'll make each other's slimes and film that, and you'll find out how that turns out. And then we're going to send each other the slimes in the post and compare. That's the idea. So now I'm adding borax and mixing it in, being careful not to add too much because we don't want a stiff rubbery slime. Just working it in. And it's starting to come together. It looks a bit like custard at this stage, but you can still really see the glitter, which is the good thing about using the clear glue base. So now it's ready to handle. Just dabbing off all the extras from the side. Yeah, so now just stretching it in my hands and making sure it's the right consistency. Doesn't need any more borax anymore, it will just ruin it. So you can really see the sparkle coming through, maybe not in the video, it doesn't come out that well, but oh yeah, if it was a white glue base, the glitter just wouldn't show up as much. So there we have it. I'm not sure what to call this slime. Maybe leave a comment below and make a suggestion for something Eastery and glittery, like sweet Easter treat, something like that. And there's the egg. I think that's a great match, so I'm pretty happy with the result. And we will find out what happens in the next stage where we attempt to make each other's slimes. So here's India's package, and inside we have a message and a sweet, thank you, a sticker, and the slime is a cloud slime. Yeah. Okay, so this slime is called the Easter Hunt. That's right. So the idea is it's kind of based on nice fresh Easter greens, and it's got little foam beads, coloured foam beads, just like Easter eggs hiding in the green grass, and a little bit sticky. I can activate that, but yeah, it's cloud slime, really nice colour, and it smells quite sweet. So let's have a go at making that then. Okay, so great start to this making video because I completely failed to record the beginning. But basically you start with white PVA glue, and she says to add a couple of pumps of lotion, hand lotion. I'm assuming she means like hand cream, not hand soap. And some green glue, green paint I mean, which I managed to splurge in quite heavily. So the trouble is with acrylic paint is it can make your slimes go a bit stiff, so we'll have to see how this turns out. So then you activate in the usual way, making slime, and when that's finished, be ready to make the snow. So just going to speed this up for you. It's a pretty basic slime recipe with way too much green paint. Okay, so my slime is ready. It's quite bright green, but I did use a bit too much. Kind of just jumped out of the tube. So anyway, that's a nice slime. And India's one is a bit more true to grassy green. Mine's a bit cartoon green. Okay, so the snow. So I'm using instant snow. Okay, so that's the cloud slime. It's got a nice texture. I'm happy with that. And the colour, although it's a little bit on the loud side, it's still nice. I like it. So comment below, let me know what you think. That's quite a successful cloud slime. All I need to do now is add the little Easter eggs into that green grass mix. And actually, I think India scented hers with chocolate, but I'm going to scent this with cut grass. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this collaboration with India, so thank you very much for doing that with me. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Bye!